So this is your homework actually, what we are going to do today. Can you see this thinking cap with the light on? This is what you have to wear today.
Yes.
This is what you have to wear today. We are going to do certain question answers, certain
Yes.
MCQs, and I will not be doing better. Okay, you have to. This is going to be homework, so you have to work it out. Okay, beta? Hello, hello.
Yes.
You understood? First question. First of all, good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Keeping well? Are
Yes.
you keeping well, beta? No, I'm going to read
Yes.
the
Yes.
questions. I'm going to read the question. Again, if I said this is the homework, that's all I'm saying. This is the homework. That means you have to write the date in your fair book and continue. You don't have to write again the lesson number and all those things. No, because lesson number is one only, and we are continuing with the same thing. Do you understand? So we need not
Ma'am,
write the lesson
this is
number one again.
book.
Hello, hello. Do you get me? We'll write down the
Yes,
date,
ma'am. This is
today's, and yes, these are the homework. And this is what you have to write down in your fair book. Okay?
in
Boys,
fair book, ma'am. Just right.
obviously, everything you have to write on the fair. Okay? There's no rough book for me. It's all fair book. Now, how you will write the homework again from the uploaded video. Am I clear? I found that many of you have not done. Have I given any homework so far? Did I give you any homework so far? No. No, this is the first homework, right? So from where you will write down the homework, beta? Some people did a snapshot. I don't allow you to do so. I will not. I wish that you go through the uploaded video. By doing so, you revise. So you're doing two things. You are doing revision as well as doing your homework. Am I clear? Am I clear or not?
Yes.
Yes? So while do the homework. Okay, let's start. Which of the following crops, I will repeat it twice, would enrich the soil with nitrogen? I say it again. Which of the following crops would enrich the soil with nitrogen? Remember what I had told you in 7th standard also. Yes, tell me, what is it? Apple, pea, paddy, potato. Which is the answer? And when you give the answer, you pictures. Why? Fast, give me the answer, beta. You have been taught in 7th standard.
Potato.
Yes? Potato. Got nitrogen, beta? Out of this, which is nitrogen? You should know that. Anyone? Silver.
P.
Exactly. Now tell me why. Now tell me why, beta. This is right answer. Okay,
This we
beta?
have to write now.
No, not now. Well,
This we have to write in
in the Facebook, beta. Write
a
down
public
date,
comment.
write and time. Okay?
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Now, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am,
Yes.
your voice is cutting.
Still?
No.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, you
I
have to
give you
write
the
in fair book.
beta, yes. say, okay, it's the homework, that means it has to be written in the fair book better. You need not ask me this question. I say homework, that means it's the fair book. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. With good handwriting.
Yes.
Uh, Maybe school may reopen anytime. Maybe after 2, 3 months. We never know. In the year that will open. I do not. It's in the newspaper. Okay, it comes in a newspaper. So whenever we see, see the notebook should be presentable. That's the reason I'm saying that whenever you write on a date, write on the questions in good handwriting. It should not be okay. There's no one to check, so I will write the way I wish. Don't do that. Make it a habit for yourself, not for me. You're doing the work for yourself, beta, not for me. Remember that. So whenever you're writing anything, it should be presentable. Okay, beta? Okay? Okay. Hello?
Yes.
Yes? Now P. Who gave the answer? P, beta? What's your name?
Hi, that's Maida.
Mahida. Okay. Now can you give me the reason? If you know, say yes. If you do not know, then I will take over. But let's not waste time. Do you know or not the reason?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, you do not know. Okay. I'm glad that you are being honest. Now I start. Now this is the pea plant. It's got the roots. Now this roots has got nodules. It's got nodules. What are they called as? Nodules. Okay. In which there is a bacterium. What is the name of the bacterium? Rhizobium. Have you heard of rhizobium in 7th standard?
Yes.
Now you understood. I
Yes.
taught you already. That's why I'm saying I taught you already. That's why I'm asking you. But then it's okay. You've forgotten. Does not matter. We are revising. So this rhizobium bacterium has the capacity, has the ability to trap, to capture the atmospheric nitrogen. You understand? And when can it capture the atmospheric nitrogen? Only when there is a lightning. Whenever there is a lightning, this atmospheric nitrogen is being captured by the rhizobium bacterium which is present in these nodules. So what is the advantage, beta? That the plant need not have any fertilizer. Without fertilizer, it can make its own protein. So this nitrogen is used up by the plants to prepare protein. Now peas come in which family? Family. I think you know that. And dal or pulses or legumes are highly rich in protein. No problem? Any problem, Vita?
No.
All of you understood?
No, ma'am.
The detailing you understood or not? That why don't we have to give any fertilizer, any manure to the pea plant because they can make their own fertilizer. We give fertilizer as what? As nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Remember that? So nitrogen is already there. It is very important for making protein. So rhizobium is helping the plant, yes, to use up this nitrogen to make the protein. And hence we call the dal, peas, legumes are highly rich in protein. They are carbonaceous plant. Okay, beta? Have you
Yes.
understood this slide? Have you understood this slide? Okay, so you got the answer as, what is the answer, beta? P. What is the answer? This is the right answer. Which of the following is not a kharif crop? I repeat. Which of the following is not a kharif crop? Now, if it is not a kharif crop, then what it will be? It will be what crop then?
Rabi crop.
Rabi crop. You should understand this. So they put this sort of question to confuse you, but don't be confused. Just simplify it. So now tell me, what are kharif crops, beta?
The crop that grow in
Now I need the example, beta. Maize, bajra, cotton,
rice,
yes, rice, they are kharif crops, isn't it? They are kharif crops. Paddy, maize, bajra, cotton, these are all kharif crops. And what are rabi
millet,
crops? What are rabi crops? They
crop
are
that grow in
wheat,
winter.
crops grown in winter. So they are wheat, gram, mustard, all these are rabi crops. So what is written over here? This is the answer, isn't it? What is the answer? Mustard is the
Mustard.
answer because
Next
paddy,
question.
maize, brown, all these are kharif crops. So mustard is a rabi crop.
Man, we
Understood?
can't see the question.
Huh?
We can't see the whole question. It is so
Why? You cannot see, or all of you cannot see. What about rest
now
of you? Can you see the slide?
yes. Please
So which of the following is not a kharif crop? The answer is
mustard.
mustard. Just now we talked about cod liver oil, isn't it? Yesterday we worked on cod liver oil. Remember?
Vitamin B and vitamin C.
Next
Vitamin
question.
A and vitamin
Option
D.
D. Option D. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Option D.
Ma'am,
What is found in cod liver
vitamin
oil?
And
A and
option D.
vitamin
Vitamin
D.
D is yes. Only vitamin D. Option is
Exactly. So I
answer
was
D.
just wondering. I did not teach you the combination of vitamins. How come you people are giving me the combination of vitamins? I did not teach you that. So I just kept quiet. You understand? If I don't show you the option also, for example, here,
Yes,
I've
ma'am.
cut short the option. Then also you stick to only vitamin D. That is what I want to tell you. Why you get confused? I can give you many options. But what option I taught you should stick to your mind. You understand?
And zoom out.
Do you understand better? So what is the answer?
Option
Yes,
D.
ma'am.
Only vitamin D. Okay, so now you remember the cod liver oil has only vitamin D. Fish liver oil rich in
Only
only
vitamin
vitamin.
D.
And zoom out.
Which of the following is not grown by transplantation? Now this is a homework. This we are not going to discuss it.
Paddy.
Now tell me first, what is transplantation? What is transplantation, beta? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
What is transplantation? Yes. I repeat, what is transplantation? Have you ever
Ma'am, the
seen
process. Ma'am,
Yes,
the
tell me.
process of can I say
Yes, yes, yes.
The
Say better.
process of removing a
process
plant
of
from where it
removing a
is
plant
grown
from the
and
place where it
replant
is
it
growing,
in another
is
place.
growing and replanted is in another is called transplantation.
Transplantation. Example. Example. When it is carried out, where it is done. Can you give the example, better? Paddy, rice. Another place, and then you take it out when it's a small
Ma'am,
sapling.
tomato and paddy.
Huh?
For example, tomato and paddy.
The question is what, better? Which of the following is not grown by transplantation? Paddy is
Ma'am,
grown by
peas.
transplantation. What I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Paddy is grown by transplantation. Which of the following is not grown by transplantation? Please understand the question.
Okay.
And you don't have to
Peas, ma'am.
discuss it today. We are not discussing this. This is your homework. You have to, when we meet
Okay, ma'am.
next, then you are going to give me the answer. Okay? You just put it in the notebook. We will discuss it when we meet next. So this is your typical homework. I'm not giving you any answer. You understood now? You have to work it
Yes,
out.
ma'am.
You have to find out and give me the answer. Is it clear, beta? This is the
Okay,
real
ma'am.
homework for you. Okay.
Ma'am, this is
Now
homework.
next. Yeah, this is the homework. To find out the answer
Okay,
for
ma'am.
me.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
will write it
Okay.
down, but don't tick it. Rest of them we have already
We
discussed. So you
can,
write it down. This
Yes,
also you
we
ma'am.
write
can
down, but
write
don't tick
down.
it. We will discuss and then only you will tick the correct answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One of the following crop is not cultivated by sowing its seeds directly into soil. I repeat, one of the following crop is not cultivated by sowing its seeds directly into soil. This is also your
Uh,
homework. So this is your homework.
Hello.
Did you understand the question?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Is it homework?
The seed is not directly into the soil.
Hello, hello, hello.
You have to find it out. Don't say
Hello,
don't know. You have to find it out.
hello,
Hello,
hello, hello.
hello, hello. You have to find it out.
Yes, ma'am.
There's two questions you have to find it out, and we will discuss it later.
Ma'am, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yes, Sufyan, we can hear you.
Tomatoes are cultivated by the practice called transpiration, translocation, transportation, transplantation.
Transplantation. Transplantation.
Exactly. Exactly. So what is the answer over here? Transplantation.
Transplantation.
That means it is grown at one place, then when it is a small baby plant that is removed from there and then is taken to some other places. That is called
Yes,
as
ma'am.
transplantation.
Transplantation.
Okay? All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer of tomatoes are cultivated by the practice called
Transplantation.
transplantation. Okay, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
The process of beating out grains from the harvested wheat crop is called the process of beating out grains from the harvested wheat crop is called
Thrashing.
exactly is called threshing. So you are paying
Thrashing.
attention, beta. You are paying attention. Very good. It's
Yes,
called
ma'am.
threshing. So we just remove the chaff. Remember, I talked about chaff. Not I. We all talked about chaff from the grains is removed by threshing. The thresher is a machine. We talked about
Yes,
harvester,
ma'am.
remember? The sickle and the harvester we talked about, the machine, the harvester. With the machine or with the thresher.
Thrashing.
Okay, so answer is threshing. The government agency responsible for purchasing grains from the farmers Safe storage and distribution is,
FCI.
I will not say. You all have to, only not two or three, because others are not working better. Let them work. Okay? I know
Okay, ma'am.
that, but let them work. So you see, now this is the third question that you have to work. Two questions I've already given that you have to work on your own. This is the third question. The government agency responsible for, someone is taking the snapshot, I think so, right?
Ma'am, Sufyan.
Responsible for, yeah, no need actually. See, you have to go through the uploaded video and find it out or discuss with your friends. You can do whatever you please. So the government
Yes, ma'am.
agency responsible for purchasing grains from the farmers, safe storage and distribution is CBI, FDI, FDI or FCI. So you have to find the abbreviated form, remember that. And I need the full form of all these organizations, right? Hello, right, Vita?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's it. So we have
Okay,
come to
ma'am.
the end of the
Chapter.
chapter. Now
Ma'am,
my question to you.
when
No, just
this chapter,
I've got it. Yes, yes, tell me. Tell me.
Supriya, ma'am,
Yes, beta.
when this chapter will end, then you will give me PDF.
Yes, beta. I will
Okay,
give
ma'am.
you the PDF of question answers first. The textual, the way we started with seventh
Yes, ma'am.
standard. I hope you know you
Oh,
were in seventh standard. First, I
yes,
will
Yes,
give you
ma'am.
the textual questions. Hello.
Okay,
yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Yeah. And then I will give you the long answer questions
Okay, ma'am.
together. And then you will write it down in your fair book. Our chapter is over.
Bye.
Now we still have around 20 minutes or so. We can revise, or if you wish to talk to me, if you wish to tell me something regarding our, because maybe next month or so, we may have our FA1, I think so, FA1 exams, and I'm maybe taking, what do you call that,
Ma'am.
some chapters, two chapters maybe I will be taking for FA exams. And what I wish is now that as soon as I finish one chapter, what is your work? Every time I'm asking to revise. Remember, so today also you will do revision along with doing the homework. Am I right? So when you revise, the chapters become very easy. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I wish that all of you will. It's of 20 marks. I think you know FA. All FA exams of 20 marks. So I wish that you get out of it.
Yes, ma'am.
That's only possible. That's only possible. See, I don't need your brains. I need hard work. That's only
Yes,
possible
ma'am.
when you listen to me. The people, the children who are listening to me, I'm telling you, they will get more than 15 out of 20. They will get more than, they will get plus 15. The ones who are not
Yes,
listening may not. It's as simple as that. If you
yes, ma'am.
revise on a daily basis, whenever we are having a session, when I'm not saying that you're doing it daily, no, I don't do it daily basis. Whenever we are having the lecture, only that day you are supposed to revise. That's it. Am I asking you to work daily with her?
No, ma'am.
I hope you understood now nicely what I'm trying to say. Whatever you
Yes,
do,
ma'am.
give your 100%. Whatever.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? 100%. If you're watching TV, 100%. If you're with mobile, 100%. If you're with your mama,
Okay.
papa, 100%.
Okay,
Do it
ma'am.
with
Bye.
wholehearted. What bye? Still have got time.
Yes, today
How can you
not
say
over
bye?
the day.
You want to go, you go. You want to
Ma'am,
go?
sorry. Sorry, ma'am.
See, that's all. I'm shocked. You don't want to listen to me? Let others listen. So now I'm asking you all, Vita, is it okay the way we are going or you want me to change? Hello?
Ma'am, we will change.
How? What do you want to change?
We will study more time.
Huh?
We will
Sorry?
revise.
No, no, you're not getting me. I'm talking about myself. Are you
Yes.
okay with the way I'm teaching you? That is what I'm saying.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Is it becoming
But
easy? The
you are
chapters are
teaching
becoming easy?
properly.
Fine. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You are teaching
Is
properly.
it
Thank you.
you? Or are you finding it difficult? Are you finding science difficult or is it becoming easy
No,
for you?
ma'am, it is easy for us.
Okay. What about others?
मैम कोई आंसर ही नहीं देता है.
What's the problem है? What about others, Rita? How do you find science now? Very difficult?
No,
Boys, are you finding it very difficult, Rita?
no, ma'am.
Between if you come across any sort of difficulty, any sort of confusion, any sort of doubts, any sort of problem, feel free. Feel free. You can WhatsApp me, you can call me, okay?
When
And
your screen is blank,
you must be blank. Now,
when your screen is blank,
now,
Ma'am,
now
your
has it
screen
come?
is.
ma'am, it is very small.
Now has it come or not?
बहुत छोटा दिख रहा है.
And very small.
Now?
Yes, ma'am, now please.
Now is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I forgot. Yeah, I forgot to tap it
Yes,
actually.
miss.
So I was not looking at the screen and I was just involved talking with you. I forgot to tap it, so it just went blank. Okay. So three questions are your homework. You find out of the questions, then we will discuss it, and then you have to write it on in the. I mean, not write it. Take it as the correct answers in your notebook. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear with the? Okay. So Monday, I will be giving you the PDF of all the question answers. Or maybe today I can give you by Monday. Today itself you will get it by
क्या मैम
evening. Is
टेस्ट
it clear?
लोगे?
Yes, beta. Oral
टेस्ट
test I
लोगे?
can take, but I won't be able to take test, beta, because the chapters are so big. If I take test or if I take one or other session, then I will have to take proxy, beta, because I still remember it was very difficult for me to complete the portion because my PPTs, whatever I make, the slides are too much. You saw the slides, I think,
Yes.
number of slides, 72. 72 slides. For one chapter, I'm having 72, 80, 100 slides, beta. Because why I'm taking so many slides, so that things become easy for you. So, in a way, it is revised, no, sir, beta. So, you have to analyze yourself, whether you know or not. Now you're becoming big. I don't want to test you, please. My test is that yes, I have faith in you. If I've asked you to revise, you're revising, you will get out of out. That is the way I test children. You understand? And why you doubt yourself, better? If you know, you know. If you understand, you understand. That's it. You will never go wrong. If you doubt yourself that you may go wrong, that means you are not paying attention to me. Am I right? Boys, am I right, beta?
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
You understand? Don't doubt yourself. If you think you know photosynthesis, now if I ask you that do you know photosynthesis? What should we answer? Obviously, yes, ma'am. That should be your answer. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
You will say undoubtedly, yes, ma'am. We know it. That is your test. You are testing yourself. There's confirmation. There's no doubt about it. That is what I want. Now you're in 8th standard, beta. So you have to change. You have to analyze yourself, not me. I trust you. I have belief in you that my children will give me out of out. Why? Because they said they have understood it. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Simple. That is my test. And what is your test? What is your test? Confidence. I have paid attention and I know it. Madam has asked me to revise, I will revise it. Whatever, if at all I'm a bit doubtful about certain topics or certain matters, while going through the uploaded video, I will clarify it. If not, then I can ask ma'am to clear my doubts. Over. This is how you should proceed. You get it?
Yes. Ma'am, you will send this MCQs PDF.
Yes, beta?
You will send this MCQ,
Which one?
this.
This is will be in the uploaded video. Why should I send beta? Why should I do the work again? I've already given you, that's it. You will go to the uploaded video now for the revision purpose. While doing so, you will write it down. Simple. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, so why are you asking me, beta? Only the PDF of the textbook questions and the long answer questions will be given to you today. By evening, I will send you, okay? Because the textbook is at home. So I will take the snapshot and send as a PDF to you, okay? So that you can write it in your fair book and start learning right away. Fine? And be serious that yes, whatever you do, you have to give me 100%. Okay, beta? So fill in the blanks, uh, true, false, what is that? MCQs, definitions. Please pay attention to all these things because mostly the exams will be taken as I hope you know that MCQs, FB, TF, right? And which is the fourth one, beta? One word question, right? Or one line answer, something of that sort. Okay? One word answer, right? It's one word answer. Anything else you want to ask me? Hello? Okay, I'm asking you certain questions then. One word question, one line question. Which time is best for reading? I repeat, which time is best for reading? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Which time is best for reading, beta? Yes, can anyone tell me? When do we do reading? No answer? Before crop plants produce flowers and seeds, we do the reading. Before the development of plants, we do the weeding. What is the meaning of animal husbandry? What do you mean by animal husbandry? Give the definition better. Hello? Boss, can you hear me better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What do you mean by animal husbandry? What is the meaning of animal husbandry? Give the definition. Am I loud and clear or not? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Give the definition better. Yes? You know or not? It is the rearing of animals. It is making the animals big from babies at home or farms by giving them proper food, shelter, and care. The whole process is known as animal husbandry. Can anyone say it again? Hello? Are you there, children, or you have left, or what? Boys, are you there?
Yes, animals grow.
Huh?
Yes.
So why aren't you answering? I gave the answer and I said you repeat after me, then also you're not answering. Is something wrong? Hello? Hello?
કેમ કોઈ જવાબ નથી આપતું બેટા?
I
મેમ
don't
ક્યારના
know.
પૂછે છે તો
Because until you give me answer, I don't know whether you have understood or not. લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર મેમ આમ જ થાય છે. આજે
પણ એમ
સેટરડે
નહીં
છે ઉપરથી.
બેટા, અત્યારે તમે લોકો 3 જ જણા છો, બરાબર? લાસ્ટ લેક્ચર ની અંદર તમને જો ભણવાનો કંટાળો આવી જતો હોય તો બધા લેક્ચર કેન્સલ કરી નાખીએ. કારણ કે બેટા આ મેઇન સબ્જેક્ટ છે. તમે લોકો પ્રોપર આન્સર નહીં આપો તો શું કરશું? હે બેટા, શું કરશું? 3 જ જણા છે અત્યારે અને ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ